to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub. Today I'm replacing the metal clips that go around the inner CV boot joints. One of them had disappeared. Don't know where, it's gone somewhere, so I'll have to get some new ones. So I'm going to fit them. So here is the inner CV boot, just here, and you can see, if I can get my hand in here, around here should have the metal clip. My ring piece has disappeared. Maybe someone will find it one day. So yes, that's what I'm attempting to do. I have replaced all the grease inside, as you can see. It's quite greasy on the outside. It's very fiddly to do whilst the drive shaft's in situ, but it's not too much of a problem. At least there's lots of grease on the inside of that rubber boot. So let's get to it. So what I'm actually going to be using are these metal cable ties. Quite cool. Got this tightening tool, so the idea is loop it around the CV boot, you feed it through there, pull it through by hand, and then you use this tool to get it nice and tight, and it also cuts the excess off the end. So let's get to it. Right, how it turns out, the tool it comes with isn't very good at doing this job. It'd be alright if it wasn't in such a confined space. So I've just done some testing. It turns out that it's better to use some pliers to get it tight. Let's get this lined up. Hand tight. Just rotate it. Make sure it's in place. Which it is. Get these. Twist round. To pull it tight like that. That's it. Should keep it on. Obviously, cutters. Lost the cutters. Off, otherwise it'd be very noisy. Quite irritating with that flapping about. Don't want stuff flapping about your ring. Go. Yeah, that's nice and tight. That's that job done.